Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Inspect the anchor and surrounding pool shell to know what you'll cut or pry. Apply penetrating oil to any moving parts and let it soak while you put on gloves and eye protection. Use a cold chisel and hammer if the anchor has a concrete collar. Tap around the flange to fracture the bond. Once done, use tongue and groove pliers to get initial rotation. Make sure to test movement gently so you don't crack the shell. Now focus on breaking the anchor's grip. Chip away uniform sections of concrete or epoxy around the shaft rather than prying from one side, which risks cracking. Once loosened, apply penetrating oil and rotate the shaft a few degrees at a time with steady leverage. Sudden force can damage the pool. If rotation fails, drill small relief holes through the collar to relieve suction, or attach a slide hammer adapter and use measured blows until the shaft walks free. Make sure to support the pool shell while applying heavy force. Finish by thoroughly cleaning the cavity and removing rust and debris so the patch bonds well. Dry the area and treat any exposed metal with rust inhibitor. Use hydraulic cement for concrete pools, compatible vinyl patch for liners, or fiberglass resin for fiberglass shells. Once the patch cures, test with water and watch for seepage. If you encounter a structural crack, persistent leak, or the anchor won't budge after safe attempts, stop and call a pool restoration specialist to avoid worsening damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.